Hello folks, it's Sean from the Green Bay Aquarium Society. Today I got a package from the shrimp farm. Let's see what's inside it. I've been checking these guys out on social media and they have really good stuff, so I'm super excited to see what they sent us. Alright, looks like everything's nicely packaged. Got some Indian almond leaves. Oh boy, they're packing this like fluffy stuff. Okay, we've got some Quattro 2, baby shrimp food. That's baby shrimp food, not shrimp baby food. There's a difference. And some shrimp. Now these, let me see if I can find. I am not sure what kind of shrimp these are, but I will find out and post in the comments below. You can also, these will also be available at our 2018 spring auction benefiting PJack. So you can find out more about that on our Facebook page. Speaking of Facebook, check out the shrimp farm. They have a lot of really great stuff on Facebook. They also have great stuff on their website. You can also find them on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr, as well as YouTube. Also check us out on YouTube, and subscribe, and thanks a lot. Hopefully we'll see you later.